M.Carder Industries provides the best and most reliable equipment in the petroleum fueling industry. Our state-of-the-art CNC mills and turning machines produce swivels, breakaways, and nozzle parts, as well as machining of nozzle castings. M.Carder's C1 Multiplane Swivel represents a dramatic departure from standard machining methods for swivels. Standard swivels are made from cast metal, with aluminum being the primary metal. These castings are not solid, and machining exposes porosity, or tiny holes on the surface of the casting. A sealant is required to fill these holes in an attempt to stop leaks. Most swivels are made by connecting two castings together to form the swivel joint. O-rings are used to prevent leaks, but porosity causes excessive wear on the O-rings as the swivel rotates. Additionally, to compensate for the porous surface, more pressure has to be applied to squeeze the O-rings in an effort to stop leaking. This makes it more difficult for the swivel to rotate and accelerates wear on the O-rings, resulting in malfunction of the swivel. The C1 Multiplane Swivel has a precisely machined brass sleeve inserted into the aluminum casting. This allows for an ultra-smooth machined surface for O-rings to seal. The sleeve's smooth finish lets us use the O-ring manufacturer's tolerance specifications to achieve the proper seal, so the C1 turns easily, doesn't leak, and generates less wear on the O-rings, which extends the life of the swivel. The connector is also made of brass. Precisely machined O-ring grooves secure the dual O-rings and provide the exact position to mate with the sleeve in the other half. An internal nylon retainer cord secures the halves firmly, but allows for free rotation. The dual O-ring seals are compatible with all fuels. However, the primary use for the C1 swivel is in the dispensing of gasoline in service stations. The C2 1-inch by 1-inch multiplane swivel was designed specifically for diesel fuel and use in truck stops. The hex end is made from brass bar stock and has the same sleeve connector design as the swivel. The brass hex end will prevent gulling in the nozzle threads, and the C1 design will reduce the possibility of ovaling when installing. And like all M.Carder products, the C1 Multiplane Swivel is made in the USA. The C1 Multiplane Swivel turns easily and will not leak.